In this video, I'm going to be going over the ePortfolio organizer. So to get to the ePortfolio organizer, you're going to go up to the top menu right here. You're going to click on Organize. And to show another portfolio, you're able to either bring specific pictures or documents over. And then for Show Current Portfolio, that's more to organize within your portfolio. So I'm going to show another portfolio. And say that you have like a really good bio and you want to put that in. You can click on the page that you want. You're just going to go ahead and grab that. And then you put it in, and then it's in your portfolio. Or if you wanted to bring over an entire page, then you click on Content Page. It gives you all of that, and then if you want to bring over your home, it's going to put that right there, and you can change where you want it. And then once you're done, you're able to just click out of it, and as you can see, it added in the entire page onto your portfolio. And then if you wanted to organize within it, you can just show the same portfolio. So if you wanted to move some things around, this is a really easy way to do it. And you can change things around, move them up. And that is how you use the organize function.